Hey guys, my name is Luke Howard and I'm one of the staff instructors here at the Idea Foundry. What we're going to be focusing on today is changing out this bandsaw blade. Currently we have a blade that's a little too dull. It's kind of putting a little bit of a jagged edge, a little tough to cut through, and putting burn marks when it kind of curves around numerous materials. So it's time to put on a new nice sharp blade so we can get this thing humming. First thing that I do when I want to change out the bandsaw blade is make sure that I have the right diameter blade. Now, I did that by checking out what this machine needs specifically. What it needs is a 93.5 inch diameter blade, and we're using a 1/4 inch blade today. Next, once I get to the machine, the first thing that I need to do is make sure that it's unplugged so that I can mess around with this machine and do all that I need to do while make sure it never turns on. Then I'll open up both of these covers and see the flywheels inside. Basically, I have 2 flywheels that keep the tension on this blade nice and strong as it spins around. And what I'm going to do is take this top wheel, reduce that tension by lowering it, change out this blade, put the other blade on, and then we're good to go. So one of the things I have going on here is it tells me I have adjust tension of blade to scale. So I have an 1/8 inch, 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, 1/2 inch, and 3/4 inch that I can tighten this to. And I just want to make sure that this is nice and tight and that that tension is at the diameter of blade that I'm using. So that's a 1/4 inch. And there's a red indicator line that kind of lets me know that. Other things as I'm tightening this up that we want to know is, are these teeth facing down? Because these teeth need to be facing down to make this, to make sure that our cuts actually cut properly, and that this blade, when it spins, those teeth are always heading into this base. And the other thing that I want to focus on is this blade right here. So you can see it's right here in the front of this wheel. Where I want this is basically, there's a tire on here. It's peaked in the middle and curved on both sides. So I want the teeth to be right in the middle of this blade so that they aren't angled slightly to the right or slightly to the left. How I'll do that is there's another wheel right here, a little fastener, that allows me to change the orientation of the blade from side to side. I have to be spinning this while I do it. Locked in place. Now that we have everything set, I can both put in this throat plate, close my flywheels, plug this back in, and I'm ready to start cutting.